Hi, my name is Bjorn Harsanyi. I'm a partner at Sharma Harsanyi, Alberta's largest dedicated immigration law firm. I'm also a former refugee officer and former employee with the Immigration Refugee Board and Citizenship and Immigration Canada. I'm here to talk to you today about the new refugee system that is in place in Canada since approximately June of 2012. You should be made aware that the refugee process in Canada has dramatically altered. And this video applies to an individual who has already made a refugee claim or is, more importantly, thinking of making a refugee claim. The most important distinction to know is that the timeframes, which used to be years to make a refugee claim, are now months. You will be, shortly after making a refugee claim, you'll be asked to fill out a number of forms, including your story, and you will be given a date for your refugee hearing, which will likely be within a period of 2 months, during which time it is your responsibility to provide all the proof required to establish your claim for protection. Now, this can be a very daunting task, and you should not underestimate the importance of providing all necessary documentation to prove your claim. The refugee system in Canada is tougher than it has ever been. To win a refugee claim is by no means a foregone conclusion, even from the most difficult of countries in the world. And you need to have the documents to back your story up, and you also need to have the appropriate details in place in your story. Do not think or assume you can do this yourself. That would be a big mistake. Further, if you are going to get help, and I strongly urge you to choose a representative, preferably a lawyer, who has experience in this area, who's done refugee hearings before, who knows what to do. Your timeframes are short. The documents have to get in fast, and they have to be the right documents, and you need the right help. And you should also be made aware that the country you're from also plays a very significant factor. In now that we've separated, certain countries have been designated as so-called safe countries, including Mexico, including Hungary, and other countries which are high refugee producing countries before. This alters the method in which these hearings are run and alters appeals you may have, and has consequences that even go so far as to your work permit. So you should understand what exactly it is you're getting into if you're from one of these countries and you make a refugee claim, and what the consequences can be, especially if you're already here on some status such as a work permit or a student. Again, making a refugee claim can have both positive and negative consequences to your status in Canada, and you should get the appropriate advice before you go in and make that refugee claim. And once again, just be wary as to who is giving you that advice, and that they have the right credentials, background, and knowledge so they can fully inform you of what the changes in fact are and give you the right advice. Thanks for watching this video and tuning into our channel. If you have questions about this topic or any other immigration related topic, feel free to contact our office or go to our website, and either myself or my partner or any of the lawyers here would be happy to meet with you and fully explain all your options to you. Thank you.